Pointed Up Hicks. I'm here with Josh. We got 4 poles in the water. I got one there, he's got one there, he's got one there, and then I got one there. Basically on all 4 poles, we just got crappie rigs set up with some night crawlers we got from Walmart. We're spraying a little bit of this power bait on there. And we have been using marshmallows, and then these are the weights we're using. We're up at Sylvan Lake in Custer State Park in beautiful South Dakota. We've only been catching trout so far, so that's basically what this video is going to be about. Josh so far has caught 9, and I have caught 6. We missed 1 for my video. I think we missed 1 for him, so hope you guys enjoyed the little compilation afterwards. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. See you guys in the next one. Enjoy.
you.